Today we're going to be using some new art materials. We'll be using something called a stencil. What shape do you think this is going to make? And then we'll be using a piece of cardboard. We'll use that to make straight lines. And we could also use it to make a shape, a square, a rectangle, yes. Then we're using something called a Sharpie. We'll let you borrow these and then collect them at the end of class. These make nice black lines. So let's get started. Just be carefully tracing the inside shape. Makes a nice circle. I'm going to make a few more. Oop, I drew on my stencil a little. That's fine. Maybe I'm gonna overlap. 2 circles there. I'm ready to try this one out. Let's see what this can do. I can connect some of my circles with a straight line. Makes nice straight lines. Bet I could trace around this. Gotta hold it very still. That's fun. So I'm just gonna keep making some shapes and lines and circles, and then we'll add color. All right, I think I've added enough circles and lines. That was fun. Done with my Sharpie, so I'm gonna put the cap back on tightly. Don't need that anymore. Now I'm gonna start with crayon, I think. Remember our peeled crayons from the other day? I'm just gonna rub some around on my picture. Fill in some big areas. I'm going to switch over to my regular crayons. I can add more lines if I want. I can color in areas. I like to change colors a lot. I like a lot of color in my artwork. And then we also have, some of us have markers in your boxes. If not, you can borrow a marker. If I use the side, I can trace over some of my lines with a thick line or make some skinny lines. And I'm just gonna keep adding color for a while and see how that looks. All right, I've added color a lot of different places. Some areas I drew more circles on my own. I added some of those fun lines we were practicing, zigzag and wavy. Even made a little happy face. So I think I'll put a frame around it. All good art has a frame. Just rubbing my crayon. Be drawing a line. And one thing you can do is sign your name. Can't wait to see what you make.